Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Friday, August 28th, 2026, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. We recap today's closing prices, market breadth, and key trends. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all down today. The S&P 500 index dropped 21.9 to close at 7,709.90, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 138.92 to 26,402.42. The Dow 30 Index slipped 9.45 to 53,559.99, and the Russell 2000 Index fell 41.96 to 2,972.37, breaking downward from 5 flat sessions. Turning to market breadth, decliners outpaced advancers across most benchmarks. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw the heaviest downside pressure, with 1,815 decliners against 946 advancers. The Dow 30 Index was the lone positive outlier, showing 17 advancers against 13 decliners, while the S&P 500 Index logged 257 declining stocks. Examining total returns, the Russell 2000 Index leads year-to-date performance with a gain of 19.76%. For the month, the Nasdaq Composite Index holds the top spot at 4.5%, while the S&P 500 Index and the Dow 30 Index maintain double-digit year-to-date advances. Top sectors finished broadly higher today. Leading the advance, consumer cyclical gained 31.87 points, or 1.6%, to close at 1,934.30. Communication services rose 6.93 to 458.33, while energy added 5.59 to end at 951.74, maintaining a very strong positive trend despite 3 flat sessions. Lagging sectors were firmly lower today. Technology paced the decliners, dropping 93.25 to close at 6,936.69. Industrials fell 14.83 to 1,497.2, while utilities slid 5.6 to 431.90, breaking downward after 3 days of flat action amid noticeable downward volatility. Real estate also dropped 1.41. International market funds were all higher among top performers today. Leading the group, Turkey gained 0.34 to close at 40.87, staging an upward breakout from 4 flat sessions. China added 0.33 to 55.23, while France and Austria posted modest gains to end at 46.20 and 44.6. Reviewing longer time-frame returns across these global funds, Austria leads year-to-date performance with a 24.22% advance, followed by Turkey at 18.74%. In contrast, Indonesia remains down 32.30% year-to-date, while China has retreated 8.6%. Big tech closed broadly higher, though gains were uneven across the group. Amazon led the way, rising 10.17 or 3.9%, to close at 266.43. Apple gained 5.12 or 1.6% to 319.70, marking a third consecutive up day and showing strong upward volatility. Alphabet added 1.5% to 342.88, while Meta Platforms rose 1.2% to 578.2. Nvidia was the outlier, dropping 10.50 or 4.6% to 217.48, despite a strong longer-term trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. All 5 major cryptos are currently down. Bitcoin sits at 77,323.12, dropping 2,952.22 or 3.6%. Ethereum is at 2,424.79, off 3.4%, and BNB fell 3.3%. Solana leads losses at 5.2%, while Dogecoin broke downward after 3 flat days. Looking at returns, Solana is the standout with an 8.5% week-to-date gain, while others slipped. Month-to-date, all 5 are positive, led by Ethereum at 30.3% and Solana at 42.2%. Year-to-date remains negative across the board, with Dogecoin down 27.8% and BNB off 20.3%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is strengthening broadly, gaining against the euro, pound, yen, Swiss franc, and Aussie dollar. The dollar's 5-day advance against the yen features upward volatility, while a very strong positive trend has taken hold against the Swiss franc.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.